I've been eager to try heatless hair curlers, yet I know products vary, so this one caught my eye. Made for long hair, this product bundle comes with easy to follow visual instructions, a velour hair curling headband, 2 matching clips, and 2 velour hair scrunchies. Okay, here it is before bed, and I want to test sleeping with my hair rolled up. This is what it looks like after about a minute of wrapping hair on each side and securing it with a velvety scrunchie. After this, I added the hair clips back in to keep everything in place overnight. Morning comes and I realize I'll need to wrap the hair better the next time, but I was so elated to realize I slept in one position all night long. That was my main concern, sleep. But now that I've seen it isn't an issue even for a side sleeper like me, I look forward to using this set all the time. I'll need to practice to get the back curled well, and I'll make sure my hair isn't as damp, but I imagine I'll have that mastered in a couple of tries. With the convenience of using this overnight, mornings will mean zippy hair, zippy makeup, and I'll be out the door.